Artificial intelligence is not just the future, it's shaping our lives in 2025 and beyond. Let's explore the top 7 most useful AI tools you should know right now. Number 1. ChatGPT 4.0 by OpenAI, a groundbreaking AI that can see, hear, speak, and understand in real time. Whether you're writing content, solving math, or brainstorming, it's your all-in-one assistant. Number 2. Gemini by Google. Built right into Gmail, Docs, and Android, Gemini helps you write smarter, summarize content, and speed through tasks with ease. Number 3. Claude 3 by Anthropic. Known for its thoughtful answers and deep reasoning, it's a favorite among professionals and researchers who need accuracy and clarity. Number 4. ElevenLabs. This tool produces ultra-realistic AI voices, perfect for content creators, voiceovers, and audiobooks. It's the voice behind the future of storytelling. Number 5. DeepSeek, an open-source AI model that's fast, powerful, and built for developers. DeepSeek shines in multilingual and coding tasks. Number 6. Perplexity AI. Imagine a search engine that actually answers your question, cites sources, and saves you hours of research. Perplexity makes that happen. And number 7. Midjourney version 6. The ultimate tool for turning your words into stunning visuals. From digital art to branding, it's an imagination amplifier. Which of these tools have you tried or plan to explore? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart tools, tips, and trends right here on Smarter with AI.